face. You should get this one. Oh.
I'm getting them all.
I mean, look at that one. He just looks so annoyed. And it's got one of its sister's butts.
Go and tickle her under the chin. What'd she do?
Wait, are we recording this?
Uh-huh.
Oh!
Oh, she says I'm hungry. She does. Somebody better go get Sarah.
Okay. Okay.
Sure.
Sarah! Oh, she's gonna need help with the case. Hello? I just remembered something. She's not the jumper.
Did she leave you? Oh, that's just not fair. That's just not fair. Oh, look at this little one over here. Yeah, she's just cleaning everybody up. We might finish this movie before they ever bring Sarah in.
No, muffin, no.
Hee 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 hee.
Oh, you all love me.
Hi.
Muffin? Oh, that's Sarah. Sarah. Sarah's coming.
It's about time. Yeah, that's the right one.
Okay.
Can't believe you can't tell the difference.
Good, let's go see your puppy. Here she comes. Hi! Hi, babies!
Oh, they're so excited now.
You hate me.
It is so funny.
Want mommy? Go get mommy. Oh, she's trying to find out. Hi, Goobs.
That one's lost. She says, I can't believe it. I wasn't first. And now I gotta wait in line. Huh.
Poor thing.
Is she just laughing? Yeah.
Poor Goobs.
Oh, she had a nice break. Yes, she did.
Oh, the puppy comes.
They're all stacking up.
One's at her butt. And the rest are just everywhere.
I know it. Okay, we got about 4 minutes here. Can't see anything anymore. Look at that little one right there with his butt. That's just cute.
His little tail's moving.
Uh-huh. That's just adorable.